Alright, let's start a new drawing, but let's start a new imperial drawing. And what we're going to do today is we're going to create a perspective. Okay, so let's insert a picture here of our perspective. So we're going to do an XREF. We're going to attach an XREF. Okay, it's asking us to save in before doing it, but so just cancel and let's do a save as first. And then let's name this perspective 1. Okay, and then click save. And then let's do an XREF. I ask you to download a picture on your AutoCAD files. And it looks like it's not there yet. So if it's not there yet, you won't be able to open it. So let's try to download that first on your document. I provided the link to download this, so click on that one, and then you're gonna open that, and then you're going to click add to your Google Drive or add to your folder. So we're going to download this one. Download. So I'm going to just download that, and then I'm going to be ready to insert that. Make sure that you insert that on your AutoCAD files folder, okay? Because it won't, you won't be, AutoCAD web won't be able to see that. So to do that, we go to our AutoCAD files folder. Let's see, there you go, AutoCAD files folder, and then I'm going to simply drag and drop the image that I have onto my AutoCAD folder, and it should upload. Now I go back, and then I click XREF, and then I should now have here my AutoCAD, my 3D object. So click that and attach, and it says, where do you want to put it? Okay, I want to put it anywhere. Now this one says the default is 0, 0, so you can just simply press enter there, and 0, 0 is over here on your XY. So what you can do is you can zoom closer to your XY, or just zoom extents for now. There you go. Okay, as you can see, XY is here, right? And then by default, if I measure this, the length of my picture is always 1, or the width of my picture is always 1. Endpoint. Just turn that on. Okay. And the distance, we're gonna go click the distance, and there you go. It's always 1. So let's make that maybe 6. So we're going to go again and click modify and scale, and then select the picture, click check, and point to where do you want it to grow. I'm going to put it there, and then we're going to use a reference. I'm going to click again this point, and then click the other point, and then you can now drag it, but don't click. You simply will type in 6, press enter. Now your object is 6 inches long. If you measure it again, annotate measure, and you want to measure distance, you click here, endpoint to endpoint. Now it's 6 inches, as you can see there. Okay, so we're going to do a perspective this one. We've done this before by hand, and so what we're going to do is we're going to have to draw a line first. Okay, straight line, right? And the end of that line is basically the end of this line and this line are your vanishing points. So we're going to draw now another line, and we're going to go from here to here, anywhere for now, and then from there to here. Okay, we are going to draw a line from here downwards, but we want it to be 3. Okay, so 3, and then enter, and that's how 3 looks like. Okay, so we're going to connect that line to here. Okay, press escape, and then type L, enter. So we're gonna start typing now. L, enter for line, enter, and then connect that again. All right. So that will be the edge of the cube. And then we are going to draw a line somewhere here to here. And then another line from here to here. And it doesn't matter where, okay? This may be too wide, or this would be too narrow, or just equal to each other. It's okay. Okay. So let's do another line. L, enter, and then now we're gonna pick from the intersection, going back to this one. Enter, line again, L, enter, and then pick from this one, and then going to the other side. Okay. There you go. So now that is that's our cube. You can now start to be trimming it. TR for trim, enter, and then start trimming the vertical lines. Okay. And we can also start trimming these vanishing points. Okay, but we're gonna leave it there for now so that you can see. So so go ahead and do that before we work on and continue drawing this. Okay.